Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. I'm finally back with number 3 in the recipe series for cream pies. And today we're gonna go bananas with this luscious, creamy, amazing banana cream pie. While I will admit that this one doesn't look as pretty as I'd hoped, I may have decided it is the tastiest. Fresh banana custard and coconut whipped cream in a graham cracker crust. If you didn't yet see the other 2 cream pies that I made for this cream pie series, where have you been? I've already made a white chocolate berry cream pie and then a luscious double chocolate cream pie. But for today, let's get a little bit bananas with this super easy recipe for banana cream pie. I am changing up the crust, this time from the sandwich cookies that I used in the other 2 recipes. This time I'm using graham crackers, some melted vegan butter, and you're just going to whiz all that up in a food processor. If you don't have a food processor though, you can always just crush these up by hand and then just mix in the melted vegan butter by hand too. Now, I know I just mentioned that these are completely no bake, and I'm sort of lying because I did bake these crusts for 12 minutes to get them nice and golden and crispy. It's not 100% necessary. I do find though that when I'm making a graham cracker crust versus the sandwich cookie crust, that the graham crackers just have a tendency to be really crumbly once you unmold and serve. But it is only 12 minutes in the oven, so it's kind of no bake. And again, you don't really have to do it. It just helps them stay together a little bit better. Okay, so let's get to the custard. It is so easy. It's just plant milk, and I'm using soy milk, sugar and cornstarch together in a sauce pot, and bring it up to a boil, stirring constantly so that you don't scorch the bottom. Then you're just going to add in the vegan butter and the vanilla. And, well, here's where I ran into slightly a problem. And you decide if it's a problem or not. If you are like me, you probably have 70 pounds of overripe bananas in your freezer. So, of course, I wanted to use a couple of those for this custard. And I did. And it was absolutely delicious. But as you can see here, it gave the custard a kind of grayish tinge that I really didn't like at all. So I changed gears quickly. I made another batch of custard, and instead of those dripping, droopy brown bananas, I mashed up some nice fresh ones instead. Just look at the difference from the frozen banana puree version to the fresh banana custard version. It's really just an aesthetic thing. You can totally use frozen banana puree here, and it's delicious, but just be aware that if you do, the color will be slightly off. Delicious, but slightly off. The fresh banana custard was on point. It just looks so inviting and silky, buttery smooth, so I definitely wanted to go with that one. And let me tell you, it tastes even better than it looks. Just be sure to cover these custard tarts with plastic wrap directly on the surface while the custard cools in the refrigerator, or you run the risk that this fresh banana custard is going to oxidize as well. But once the whipped cream goes on top, you have nothing to worry about because it's really just the bananas being exposed to air that causes oxidation in the first place. So slather up the whipped cream, decorate these little gems any way that you like, and usually when I make banana cream pies, I like to decorate the tops with dried banana chips that have been dipped in chocolate, but I didn't have any of those, so here I was kind of like, this is so white and beige looking, how can I jazz this thing up for decoration? So I crushed up some leftover graham crackers, drizzled on some white chocolate, and these colorful nonpareils saved the day. Well, what do you guys think? Out of all 3 so far, which one do you like the best? Comment below and let me know if you've actually made any of the recipes in my cream pie series so far. But be sure to stay tuned for the next recipe for the coconut cream pie, and that will make 4 recipes total. But I'm actually thinking about doing a 5th flavor. What do you think? If you have a suggestion for a 5th flavor to add to my cream pie series, let me know below. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video. Of course, subscribe here to my channel if you have not already. And thanks everyone so much for watching. Until next time, happy vegan baking, guys. Bye for now.